Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two fantastic products that promise to keep your drinks cool and refreshing. The Free Village Countertop Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker both offer unique features and performance. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to ice production speed, the Free Village model takes between 6 to 12 minutes to produce 9 ice cubes, while the Electactic model boasts a faster production time of just 6 minutes for the same amount. This means if speed is your priority, the Electactic Ice Maker has a clear advantage. In terms of ice capacity, both machines are quite similar. The Free Village model can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the Electactic model can produce 26 pounds. This slight difference may not be significant for most users, but it's worth noting if you plan to host larger gatherings. Looking at user reviews, the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker has garnered a substantial 5,508 reviews, with an average rating of 4.3 out of 5. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker has significantly fewer reviews at just 37, but it holds a slightly higher rating of 4.4. This indicates that while the Electactic may be newer or less popular, it is well received by those who have purchased it. In conclusion, both the Free Village and Electactic ice makers have their strengths. If you prioritize speed and a variety of ice sizes, the Electactic may be the better choice. However, if you prefer a product with a proven track record and more user feedback, the Free Village is a solid option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.